In this video, we will talk about analysis, search engine result based analysis. Here you will find a lot of value in your subscription because you have subs from Google, YouTube, Bing, Baidu, and Yahoo. But the thing is, not only you will find a lot of thing using this, for example, the intent, semantic keyword, the topic ideas, the list is endless here. So let's start with Google. You have different type of filters, for example, countries, languages, text, the top three. If you don't find your language or a country here, just let me know in the support section and we will implement as soon as possible. So let me grab this Google one. Let's search for something like dog health and just wait for the you code. You have all the top 30 rankings here which you have selected. You can grab up to 100. The great thing is you can select your property and find if your website is ranking on any of these pages. Obviously my websites are not related to this particular keyword, so I won't be doing that. It will start scanning the rankings here. There's also people also ask section and related searches options as well, and there's the past searches which you have already done. You can find that from here. Now here's the thing, this is the AI topic which I want to talk about. It has all the context of the organic result, people also ask section, the related researches, and it will create topic around that. For example, here the dog health symptom checklist solution. So these are the related topics, and next is the questions: what, why, how, does, do I, or something like that. And there's a listicle, 15 dog health problem you should never ignore. And if you like something, just click on this button, it will add to the task here. So this is the way you can simply use this to create topics, brainstorm more ideas, and outrank your competitor in no time. And now coming forward to the next is the YouTube. So for the YouTube, you obviously don't want to search for something like dog health or like that. You want to search for something, a more specific opinion about some, for example, how I lose weight, right? And you can select all other stuff here, all other filters here. And if you see here, so these are the videos that you can see ranking for your keyword from your United States in the type of language here, the desktop. You can also switch between the desktop and mobile, and you will find all these URLs. So now what you can do is you can analyze. So how to analyze this? Just click on analyze. Now it will fetch the transcript from the video and provide you the analysis here. I think this is the shorts. I don't think we have integration with the shorts. Let me see. Yeah, we have integration with the shorts. So it opens with the bold and you can find the topic, transcript, excerpts. So these are the transcript that is from the video. You can simply analyze it. The primary goal is rapid fat loss, lose a ton of fat. So the summary key points explained. So let me grab something which is not a short. So I think this one. So this is also the short. Let's grab something 10 tips to lose weight. So yeah, this is a long form video. So let me see. So you get the point how you can do that. You can simply generate that as well. So there's a Bing, Baidu, Yahoo, drill is the same. Just check that out and start researching about what people are writing about. They analyze the content for the sentiments, topic finder, and start beating your competitors like that.